Hello everyone. So in today's video I have this little beauty with me, the new Sigma BF full frame mirrorless camera, and I'm gonna take it out to the streets of Tallinn. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Herve Rannu, and I'm a landscape and nightscape photographer and also the Sigma Nordic ambassador. So you might think that, okay, that what am I doing in the middle of streets of Tallinn if I'm like usually going out to nature and capturing all these beautiful scenes there. So I have a very good reason for that. So about a week ago, I was honored to be invited to Tokyo, Japan, where Sigma announced this little camera, the Sigma BF, and also a couple of other lenses and new brand identity. So I was able to be there in the announcement and also explore Tokyo, and Tokyo was like very inspiring and a very cool place to do street photography. So I got so inspired that I thought that, okay, it would be a really good idea to come here in the middle of Tallinn and try to do some street photography over here. So now here I am, and I'm gonna do it a bit differently. As you can see, I'm in Old Town right now because the light is pretty good. Maybe some shadows and colors, and maybe I can capture some good stuff here. So, and I'm gonna do it POV style. I'm gonna just put a GoPro here to my chest mount, and just try to capture whatever I see. So and I'm gonna just go through the whole process with you and try to explain as best as I can what I see and why I do it, and so on. So hopefully it will work out fine, and yeah, I'm gonna put the mount in my chest now and try to explore and see what I could find. Right now I kind of like the green there, the green and the red walls over here, and there's people just like moving over there. So maybe I can just, right now there's a guy with the yellow jacket, but yeah, I missed it. So I really like the lamp, so I'm gonna maybe just step back a bit to get that on the frame, and that looks better. So wait a bit, someone comes. Okay, there's a dove flying here, so that was pretty cool. Okay, yeah, I have these little guys over here now, chilling, having fun. Oh, and I forgot to mention that with the Sigma BF I have the 35mm f2, the new silver version lens, contemporary series. So yeah, only this lens, Sigma BF, and yeah, that's it. So I see this little light beam or something that comes over here, so maybe I try to wait that someone just walks over there or something and do like that to get this shadow. That's pretty nice, something like that. I also actually like how the light hits the pepper sack cafe, like the flag, so maybe I can try to do something also with that. So I'm gonna wait a bit longer here. So there's like also this really nice light just shining over here, so I'm waiting that someone is like walking here or something. Maybe I can get a shot. And I'm also gonna probably close down my aperture to like f11 or 13, so trying to move and get the maybe the sun star or something that adds to the frame. We'll see. So yeah. I didn't like that I missed the flags. I think they're pretty cool if they're included in the frame, so I'm gonna just step back a bit and then trying to capture the frame again. Just wait someone to come and because I really like the shadows in this one here, so it would be cool, I think. The gap is closing down, so I don't know. I'm still waiting. Still waiting. So I think the composition really worked better if it was something like that. So now it's not sure if it works anymore. So would be cool. Okay, now I'm just holding. Someone is coming. I just want to see the shadows. Maybe it works. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So I'm gonna move forward now and try to find some cool cool light. Okay, that was pretty cool. There's a bike to sale, so you want? You wanna buy a bike? Found a pretty cool place here, like the tower in the center and these buildings like showing the way to the tower, like some kind of like leading lines or something. So I actually passed through here in the beginning of this video, so it's pretty cool that I came back, and now I'm just hoping that try to frame it like that, maybe go closer a bit, but I'm just hoping that someone is going there and it kind of adds to the frame a bit. So yeah, I also love the clouds here, like clouds coming from there. So yeah, a bird just also was flying over there, so it's pretty nice. Just gonna take a little 5 to 10 minute walk, and then just maybe if I find something more, then I'll shoot it, and if not, then I'm gonna starting to wrap up the video because light is gone. The sun has set or is setting right now, somewhere over there, I think. So we'll see. And yeah, actually I kind of like these reflections in front of me, so okay, I don't know if you will see it. I'm just gonna lay on my knees down there, so I'm gonna get the reflection from there. It's pretty sick, I think, so we'll see. So oh yeah, it's pretty cool. There's some also here, so maybe I can use also these ones here. Yeah, the sky also, like as I said before, maybe we get some colors if the horizon of the sky is clear. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just wait a bit more because it might get interesting. So nothing really interesting happened anymore, so I decided to wrap up the video. And yeah, so if you enjoyed that kind of videos, please give it a like and also subscribe. It would help out in the future. And also if it's not much to ask, then let me know in the comments what kind of like this POV videos would you like to see. Maybe some nature or something else in the streets, or yeah, just let me know. And I think, yeah, that's it. So see you next time.